For this project, I wanted to make a small reinforced berm or hill. In this case, it would serve as an archery and shooting backstop, but you could use this method of reinforcing a hill with old tires to make a berm or hill for just about any other purpose. The tires add integrity to the hill, and as you can see, I used a cat skid steer for the job. You could rent a skid steer for around $200 or $300 a day. For my hill, I used dirt I harvested from other areas of our property. You could order a few dump trucks worth of dirt, but that would cost you. After laying in a few layers of tires by hand, I covered them with dirt and packed it down with the bottom side of the bucket. That made a relatively flat dirt layer, and then I stacked on more tires. With the tires all covered, I seeded the hill with a few kinds of grass seed and covered the seed with straw. It didn't take long for the deer to show up and start eating the young grass sprouts. But a few weeks later, the grass is growing well and the roots should hold the dirt in place through rains, wind, and snow. Our corn is also doing pretty well this year. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel for other project videos around the farm.